Hey friends, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to blow your mind. We use the internet every single day, but have you ever stopped and thought, how does it actually work? From your phone to Google to servers across the globe. Let's break it all down in a super simple and fun way, so grab your brain and let's dive in. So what exactly happens when you type google.com in your browser and press enter? Your screen loads up instantly. But have you ever thought how that works? Let's take a short trip into the world of the internet. No boring tech stuff, just real and simple explanation. Ready? Let's begin with the basics. The internet is not some magic cloud in the air. It's actually a huge network of millions of devices, computers, servers, satellites, and cables, all connected together. Think of it like a giant city. Your phone or laptop is like your house. The roads between all the houses, those are the wires, fiber cables, and signals that connect everything. So when you go online, your data is literally traveling across these roads to reach another computer somewhere in the world. Cool, right? Now imagine this. You open your browser and type, youtube.com. In this case, your device is the client. The computer that stores YouTube's content, that's the server. But here's the twist. You can't directly talk to the server, so you use an ISP, Internet Service Provider, like Jio, Airtel, BSNL, or AT&T. Your ISP takes your request and passes it to the server. The server replies, sure, here's the YouTube homepage, and sends it back. That's how pages load, fast and silent. Now here's a problem. Servers don't really understand names like, youtube.com. They understand IP addresses, which are basically numbers like 142.250.72206. So how does your browser turn a name into a number? That's where DNS comes in. The domain name system. It works like a phone book. You search for youtube.com, comma, and DNS finds the correct number or IP address for that name. Once it gets the IP, it knows exactly where to go. Let's now explore how your data actually travels across the internet. Imagine you're watching a YouTube video. The video doesn't come to you all at once. It's broken into smaller parts called data packets. Each packet takes its own path across the internet, like tiny cars taking different roads to the same place. When they all reach your device, they're reassembled back into the full video. This system is what keeps the internet fast, flexible, and global. So who tells these packets which route to take? That's the job of routers. Routers are like smart traffic controllers. They guide data to avoid busy roads and take faster shortcuts. If a cable is broken or overloaded, routers instantly reroute the packets through a better path. It's like Google Maps for your internet data, always choosing the best route. But wait, how does your video reach you from another country? The secret lies deep under the ocean. Huge fiber optic cables lie on the ocean floor, connecting continents like India, the US, and Europe. These cables carry almost 95% of the world's internet traffic. So when you video call someone abroad, your voice is literally traveling beneath the sea. Let's quickly recap what we learned. Your device sends a request, DNS translates it into an IP address, routers guide the data, packets take different paths, undersea cables connect countries, and somehow, it all comes together in milliseconds. Amazing, right? The internet might be invisible, but it's one of the most powerful systems humans have ever built.